Nice to
President,
meet you.
how are you, sir?
Thank you so
Nice
much.
to meet you.
Nice to meet
Very
you.
nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Mr. President,
Nice
nice
to
to
meet
meet
you.
you. Mr. President, an honor. David.
Wonderful. Nice to meet you.
Look at my
Okay.
pocket. It's, so you're the top lawman here in Ukraine. So I'm giving you my old sheriff badge from when I was sheriff.
No, you
Yeah, no, that's for you.
Sheriff.
Yeah.
Справжня шерифська зірка.
So no one can question you. You're number one now. You're always number one anyway.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
I have no.
Okay, you met, yeah.
That is the main thing. I think that with our people and how you see our situation, like for president that we do need because we're alone here in our country. So we are very open. We want to help you, and which you will be interested in. And I know that you are philanthropic, humanitarian, maybe like business. I don't know. It's like business. I see it only from the side. Very important thing that school that you are interested in